left all the rocky road. So now we're oh god, so wet. Look at because of the rain, the ground not too muddy, but yeah, be careful. We're inch away from the crater. There's a few switchback you need to go. That's it. We're gonna go there to touch it and step on it and feel it. My phone. All right, let's take a look. So we arrived here on Komana Caves 10 to 7. Complete dark. They close at 8, so suppose right now is a good time to do it. There's a warning sign saying no walkway, no lights, sharp, loose rocks.
Okay, let's do it.
No, I cannot see anything. Please. Yeah. Okay.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Oh, videoing up. On the water.
Even up, cannot see too much.
Yeah.
Nothing. It's just dark, complete.
Yeah.
Wow. See. We are crazy. We're going to come back tomorrow daytime to do it.
What does it matter?
Yeah, I want different view. You see different things, I guess.
This will look exactly the same.
Okay, so this is what a book says, like end of the easy way. It's 200 to 300 feet length, and if you want to go further, you're gonna need the equipment, and the depths will getting really tight, and you're gonna hit your head all the time. So I'm gonna stop here. If we want to do that, it will be, be careful, don't hit yourself, and you definitely need a long pants, extra battery, headlight.
Outside.